Every year, carpet cleaning businesses lose thousands from just one thing: missed calls. That's money you're leaving on the table right now. Customers call when they're ready to buy. If you don't answer immediately, they'll call your competitor next. Speed is everything. Your first phone interaction sets the tone. A professional, friendly voice builds trust and confidence in your service from the very start. Ambiguous pricing creates doubt. Provide clear, upfront quotes for your carpet cleaning services. No surprises, just transparency. Many leads don't convert on the first call. A polite, timely follow-up text or email can be the difference between a quote and a booked job. Your business isn't 9-5, and neither are your customers. Missed calls after hours are simply lost revenue. Don't let them slip away. Exceptional customer service starts with availability. Make it easy for potential clients to reach you anytime, day or night, and they'll remember you. What if you never missed another call? Heyfield, your AI receptionist, ensures every customer gets an instant professional response, 24/7. Businesses using AI receptionists like Heyfield report up to 40% more booked jobs. Imagine that growth for your carpet cleaning service. Stop losing valuable leads. Start booking more jobs effortlessly. Heyfield is here to transform your carpet cleaning business.